Welcome to the month of August here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. In case you missed it, last month we unveiled 2 all-new products. Off on your left, the AC and generator equipped Winnebago Solis 59PX on the extended Ram ProMaster chassis, and also the unveil of the new 2021 lithium-equipped Winnebago Rebel, which is the 4x4 Mercedes-Benz turbo diesel platform. Be sure to check out in our video library on Lichtsinn.com the archived Lichtsinn Live experience in which we unveiled both of these products live. Also be sure to check out on our vehicle display page the full walkthrough videos of the Winnebago Rebel and the Winnebago Solis line.
Hi, I'm Cody Likey, RV sales consultant here with Lichtsinn RV. RVing is becoming the most popular way to travel. Winnebago's Class B and compact coaches are experiencing strong demand. As the #1 Winnebago dealer in North America, we are experienced in helping our guests find the perfect RV for their needs. We have some of Winnebago's most popular models and floor plans to view here at our dealership, including the Winnebago View 24D, Travato 59K, Solis, Rebel, and Bolt. You can schedule an in-person or live video appointment with your factory-trained Lichtsinn RV sales consultant to see these models and floor plans in person or online. Check with your Lichtsinn RV sales consultant for factory direct pricing and availability on the Winnebago Travato, Solis, Rebel, View, and more.
Hi, Jason Brookoff here at Lichtsinn RV in Forest City, Iowa. When we say you will experience the best at Lichtsinn RV, we mean it. One of our key differences is our proximity to Winnebago Industries. Being only 1 mile from Winnebago, all of our new Winnebago motorhomes come without delivery miles. And what that means for you, our guests, is no one will drive, eat, drink, or live in your brand new motorhome before you do. When you purchase from Lichtsinn RV, you will be educated in the crucial engine break-in. If you are wondering about some other benefits to Lichtsinn RV or why our guests travel across the United States to purchase from us, just read our guest reviews. In our guest reviews, you will learn about the Lichtsinn RV experience from the initial conversation to the experience after the sale.
Coming up here though, I mean, I'm from New Orleans. This is far, 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 far away. Yeah. But you know, I'm like somebody that really does a lot of research whenever I make any purchase, and this is a major purchase. And I looked up every dealership in the country. Like, no offense, man, but I called everyone.
It's good.
And not only was the price definitely the best, but let's be honest, everyone can offer a very similar price. You guys just know everything there is to know about this vehicle. And I'm not gonna buy a vehicle from somebody that doesn't know everything. And when I go to your site and I see all the videos, and then I call you guys up, and every single person is so helpful and friendly, and then you have a shuttle that can even pick me up from the airport, like, come on, this is where everyone should be buying their, you know, Winnebagos from.
Check out our Facebook and Google reviews to learn more.
And that's all for this month's newsletter. Be sure to call, chat, or text in any sales, parts, or service questions we can help you with.